Haridwar University, located in Roorkee, Uttarakhand, has received an overall rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BCA course offered here? Let's find out, starting with the placements rated 4.6 stars. In 2023-24, the highest package offered was 85 lakh per annum and the average package was about 10 to 12 lakh per annum. The top recruiters included industry leaders such as TCS, Wipro, L&T, Tech Mahindra, NASSCOM Foundation and the Indian Navy, and the top role offered was that of application developer. In comparison, the average package for BCA in the nearby Uttaranchal University is less than half of Haridwar University. According to reviews, over 90% of the students secure internships. The university also offers industrial internships through AICTE and Intershala. Now let's talk about the BCA course offered here, rated 4.4 stars. In partnership with EduSkills, 3 BCA specializations are offered, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, cybersecurity, and data science. For admission, students must have passed 12th grade with a minimum of 60% in any discipline. Selection is basis the Haridwar University admission entrance test. The total tuition fee for the 3-year BCA course is 2.12 lakhs and 2.42 lakhs if you opt for one of the 3 specializations. Students have rated the course 4.5 out of 5 for value for money. There are several merit-based scholarships available, including those for academic excellence, sports, and students from the farming families. Next up is the infrastructure with a rating of 4.4 stars. The 30-acre campus offers 24/7 Wi-Fi, advanced labs including AI, robotics, mechanical, and civil labs to name a few, an auditorium, sports facilities with courts available for outdoor sports such as basketball and tennis, facilities available for indoor sports such as table tennis and chess, as well as an athletic field with a well-equipped gymnasium. There are separate hostels available for boys and girls with laundry twice a week and 4 meals a day for the mess included. There is also round-the-clock security, including CCTV surveillance. Turning our attention to faculty and course, rated 4.3 stars. Students praise the faculty for being knowledgeable, experienced, and supportive, with many holding PhDs and conducting research. They also noted that the curriculum is industry relevant. The BCA program, in partnership with EduSkills, offer industry-recognized certificates, live projects, guest lectures, and study abroad opportunities. Haridwar University also has global partnership with RWTH Aachen University in Germany, which includes academic exchange programs, research collaborations, internships, workshops, and seminars. Shifting focus to campus life, which holds a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. Students have a variety of clubs to choose from, such as dance, drama, and photography. In addition to educational workshops, students also enjoy events such as Sports Carnival, Tech Sangram, and the annual fest Utkarsh. Lastly, Haridwar University is currently unranked in the NIR of 2024. For more details on Haridwar University and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.